we are going to evaluate algebraic expressions. To evaluate an expression with variables means to replace the variable with numbers and then determine the value of the resulting numerical expression. Let's start with 3x plus 4y. And we want to evaluate this when x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 7. So we change the x to a 6. So 3 times 6 plus 4 times, and then we change the y to a 7. 4 times 7. 3 times 6 is 18. 4 times 7 is 28. And 18 plus 28 is 46. The value of this expression is 46. Now, let's evaluate 3x squared plus 5x plus 1 when x is equal to 2. So we replace every x with 2. We have 3. We then see an x, so I'm going to change that to a 2, squared, plus 5. Instead of x, I'll write a 2, plus 1. 2 squared is 4, so this is 3 times 4, plus 5 times 2 plus 1. 3 times 4 is 12, and 5 times 2 is 10. So we now have 12 plus 10 plus 1. That equals 23. So the value of this expression is 23. Now, let's return to 3x plus 4y. When we let x be equal to 6 and y be equal to 7, we already previously solved this, and we got a result of 46. But this time, let's evaluate it when x is 6 and y is 6. So we're going to substitute 6 for both variables. We have 3 times 6 for the x, plus 4 times, and then 6 for the y. 3 times 6 is 18, and 4 times 6 is 24. 18 plus 24 gives us 42. Notice something important. The expression 3x plus 4y stayed the same, but the value was changed depending on the values of x and y. When x was 6 and y was 7, the value was 46. But when x is 6 and y is 6, the value is 42. This is why algebraic expressions are so flexible. They can describe a calculation that works for many different inputs. As teachers, we want students to be careful when substituting. A helpful habit is to use parentheses when replacing variables, especially when the numbers are negative or when exponents are involved. Another helpful habit is to replace every copy of the variable. For example, in our problem 3x squared plus 5x plus 1, the variable x appears twice. Both copies must be replaced. And remember, to evaluate an expression, substitute numbers for the variables and then simplify using order of operations.